Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EngageBay CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, have you sign up and create an EngageBay CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up and create an EngageBay CRM account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that staying on top of your potential clients can help increase conversions, and EngageBay CRM is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, EngageBay.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up and create an account, you want to click on this button here on the top right, free sign up. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to enter in your name, create a username, password, your phone number, enter in your website, and then also choose one of these options here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off screen. Okay, I filled all the required information out. I'm going to click here on sign up. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my dashboard. So in order to continue on with your free trial, you do need to verify your email address. I received an directly from EngageBay, so I'm going to go ahead and open that email and then click on the link. Okay, after clicking on the verification link, it brings me here saying that my account has been verified. So I'm going to click on this blue here button to log in. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and use my email address and enter my password to log into my EngageBay account. Okay, quick second later, it brings me back here to my dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start importing my contacts, setting up landing pages, and using my EngageBay CRM account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an EngageBay CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.